Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. In this video, we'll teach you how to fix a webcam that keeps turning off on Windows 10 PC. This is actually a common problem, and it can be pretty annoying when it keeps turning off. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. On the Device Manager window, find and double-click on Universal Serial Bus Controller. This one. Do you have to check all of these bus controllers? Double-click on the first option. A new window will open, and then look for Power Management tab. Next, uncheck the box that says, Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then, select the OK button. And then do the same process on the second option. Now remember, not all these options have Power Management tab, so I'm just going to check them one by one and make sure to uncheck the box. Once you're done, close the window. Then on the search box, type camera. So this is the result. You'll notice that under this, it has camera settings. Click on it. Then scroll down and you'll notice that there is a Reset tab. Click on it. Once it is done, close the window and restart your computer. Then check if your camera is now working smoothly. If this doesn't fix the issue, then you can go back to the Device Manager again. Just click on Start menu. On the Device Manager, double-click Cameras. Then right-click on this one, then click on Update Driver. Then select Search Automatically for drivers. And if it says the best driver is already installed, then that's fine. Right-click on this again, then click on Disable Device. Once it is disabled, right-click on it again to enable the device. Then restart the computer. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.